Hello, everybody. This is Roger Bell. Today we're going to do some new liquid paint pouring techniques. This first painting, I'm going to start out with yellow. Each one of these paints have been mixed 1/3 paint, 1/3 Floetrol, 1/3 water, and 2 drops of 100% silicone. As you can see, I've added violet and then white to the canvas, and now we're adding pink. Note this canvas was not loaded up. This is a dry canvas. Now you'll see me using the hair dryer to blow the paint around. You can see it's moving. This is a very controlled method. The amount of air is regulated by how you use the hair dryer, its proximity to the painting. Too close and you splatter it all over the place, not far enough or not close enough, and you're not moving the paint in the direction you want. Now we're going to do a spin. We've got the paint on the canvas. We've done a little bit of blowing with the hair dryer, and now we're going to spin. We're going to let gravity take control. As you can see, the cells are forming. Look at that. Now we're going to use a straw to do a little more blow technique to create some more of those cells. You can see the cells coming out as the paint oozes over the edge of the canvas. I have to be careful not to blow too much and lose too much paint over the edge of the canvas. Using the straw is a little more controlled than a hair dryer. Look at that, violet and white. That really pops. I chose these colors. The main 2 colors are violet and yellow. Those are complementary colors on the color wheel. And I added the white as a neutral and the pink as a derivative of red, which is a part of the primary colors series. Here I decided to add a little more yellow into that violet. We're going to try to get some cells to develop within that. We're going to add a little bit of white in the center of that. That makes like a nucleus. Then we're going to add violet to this pink. I'll add some violet to the pink, or to the yellow, excuse me. You can see the cells developing. I decided to give it a little more of the spin. Let gravity pull the paint to the outer edges. Now I'm using the straw again on that yellow, blowing that into the violet, opening up those cells. Now it's time for that yellow and white and violet. It's like a flower blooming, creating blossoms on a canvas is what it appears to be. Now the yellow and violet with the white dribbles. Still working on this yellow. There's more cells to be had. You can see those cells popping out of there. Look at that. Oh, wow. Just a burst of color. That violet and yellow is such a strong combination. On to the next painting. This time I load the canvas with white. It's a very liquidy white. It's almost 50-50. Start out with ultramarine blue. I think I added some phthalo blue as well. Next is violet. And then we've got the aqua green. And then blue, cerulean blue. And then there's a light blue you add on top of that. And then white to finish it off. We're really loading up this puddle of colors. Can't wait to see what this will develop into. Another angle. There's the light blue. And the white. And now we start to blow. And the petals of color explode with cells. Look at those blues, different shades of blue with the highlights of white, with the accents of green, the aqua green, almost as though it's the ocean's shores with the foam of the waves. These colors burst on the canvas almost as though they're waves, like from the ocean. I'm not going to say any more. I'm going to stop talking at this point. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and share the video. Hit the bell notification if you'd like to see when future videos come out. Thank you for watching again. I'm going to stop talking. and we can just watch what develops.